until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Moravian Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, vehicle is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Wilkesboro, Boomer, Windy Gap, and Creeping. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Wilkes, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina until
Oh, guess what? Guess what, Katie? Guess what, Katie? Guess what, Katie? It appears that Raleigh has proved you wrong. What the fuck did you just say, Katie?
You heard me?
No, I didn't. Say that again. Say it again for the viewers.
You stole my thunder?
No, I didn't steal your thunder. You're not even under arrest.
I had some storm really good in turning me.
Yeah, but still, you're not under arrest!
Doesn't matter.
You could have stole my thunder.
Yeah, but I didn't. Hey, you're the one who assumed that Raleigh wasn't gonna issue jack shit because they're just sipping on their coffee like Cleveland does every damn time. There's a small storm in their area with a 1.25 inch hail rating, and they just do an SPS on that one with no FBI. And it kinda like how they slack on their weekly test as well.
I don't know what you said there.
I said kinda like how they slack with their weekly tests too.
Okay.
Yeah?
Well, why do I have a feeling the DSP is going to issue an SVR for Union?
I don't fucking know.
Next thing you know, they issue a warning for Davidson.
When there's not even any storms near Davidson. Oh, actually, there is some storms near Davidson.
And then next thing you know, a storm pops up.
God damn it, Nicholas! Oh. Oh my god.
Never mind, I don't think I want.
And to think, I'm going to be... Hold on. The fuck? And to think, I'm going to be with this big Stee in 2 days. That sounded so wrong. Because I did the censor beep. Don't want to spoil the plans, I gotta censor that shit somehow.